There is a fresh move to operate the mothballed Bataan nuclear power plant. Again, here's Fede Abando with a full report.
For 29 years, the Bataan nuclear power plant has been idle. It was ordered mothballed by the late President Corazon Aquino for safety and environmental concerns. Built at a cost of $1.9 billion by Westinghouse, the government fully paid $2.4 billion plus interest in 2007. Resistance to revive the plant's operation continues in the 14th Congress. Former Congressman Mark Cojuangco pushed for the recommissioning and rehabilitation of the plant. A crusade being continued by his wife, Congresswoman Kim Cojuangco, in the 16th Congress.
Hindi lang PP ang kailangan mangyari kung hindi isang henerasyon ng mga bagong nuclear plant para ma-dilute po ang mataas na presyo at bumaba po ang presyo ng kuryente sa Pilipinas.
Recommissioning will cost $1 billion. For now, the immediate concern is the maintenance of the facility. It will cost 50 million pesos yearly. The National Power Corporation is in charge. Cojuangco expressed concern that if the funds are not provided, the plant will deteriorate and the money paid for the facility will go to waste.
Ipaglalaban po namin na wag matanggalan po ito ng maintenance budget dahil 2.12 billion, almost 100 billion pesos po ito na pag-aari ng sambayanan na for 50 million pababayaan ba natin maging scrap ito? Na kung umandar sana ito, isang araw lang, bawi po yung 50 million na yon. So yung 30 years po na ginastos natin, isa o dalawang buwan na umaandar po ito, bawi po lahat yan.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.